Easy General Bible Knowledge Quiz. 1. What does the word Bible mean? A. Holy Writings. B. Book of Laws. C. Collection of books. D. Sacred Scroll. Answer. C. Collection of books. 2. How many books are in the Protestant Bible? A. 39. B. 27. C. 66. D. 73. Answer. C. 66. 3. The Bible is divided into how many main sections? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer. A. 2. 4. What are the two main divisions of the Bible called? A. Law and grace. B. History and poetry. C. Old Testament and New Testament. D. Prophets and Gospels. Answer. C. Old Testament and New Testament. 5. How many books are in the Old Testament? A. 27. B. 39. C. 46. D. 66. Answer. B. 39. 6. How many books are in the New Testament? A. 24. B. 26. C. 27. D. 28. Answer. C. 27. 7. Which book opens the Bible? A. Exodus. B. Genesis. C. Psalms. D. Matthew. Answer. B. Genesis. 8. Which book closes the Bible? A. Jude. B. Revelation. C. Hebrews. D. Acts. Answer. B. Revelation. 9. What writing material was commonly used for early Bible manuscripts? A. Paper. B. Stone. C. Papyrus. D. Leather. Answer. C. Papyrus. 10. The Bible was written over approximately how many years? A. 500. B. 1000. C. 1500. D. 2000. Answer. C. 1500. 11. Which testament was written first? A. New Testament. B. Old Testament. C. Both together. D. Psalms. Answer. B. Old Testament. 12. What type of book is Psalms? A. Law. B. History. C. Poetry. D. Prophecy. Answer. C. Poetry. 13. Which section contains the Gospels? A. Old Testament. B. Wisdom books. C. New Testament. D. Prophets. Answer. C. New Testament. 14. What is a chapter? A. Original Bible division. B. Modern division of the text. C. A prophecy. D. A translation. Answer. B. Modern division of the text. 15. What is a verse? A. A paragraph. B. A song. C. A numbered sentence. D. A book section. Answer. C. A numbered sentence.